Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable camera record stereo sound on the iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings, and in Settings go down and tap on Camera. Next, go down and tap on the record stereo sound switch. So tap on the switch to turn it off, tap on the switch to turn it on, and that's it. Finally, we can tap on the back key at the top to go back to settings, or swipe up to go back to your home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. So when recording in stereo sound, it will use the microphone at the bottom as well as the microphone at the top.